Hey guys, I decided to come out here before dark and plant me watermelon, violet de glamour. It's supposed to be some kind of melon, and chamomile seeds out here in my raised bed, y'all. I still have empty spaces. I did plant some seeds, but they did not come up, y'all. So we'll see. This might be one of the seeds that I planted. Who knows? There's my boysenberry. There's my okra. So all you can do in your garden is just keep trying, and I'll be weeding as I go. I'm gonna put this organic raised bed garden saw right up in here and all that empty space. And then I'm just going to distribute this watermelon seed and this violet de glamour and chamomile seeds and see what happens, y'all. All right, y'all, this is the chamomile. Just see, that's how they so thin, their seeds. You just sprinkle it on top, really, pretty much. So that's what this says. It just says the seed spacing, say a pinch every 6 inches or so. But look at it, wasn't but that much of a pinch in the first place, y'all. So just moving it around. And you know, just take some of this Miracle-Gro and put on top of it. Let's see if it germinates. That's all we can do, y'all. There's a light on the ground and water it. It either do its thing or it don't, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is my crimson sweet watermelon. I'm gonna put 2 to 3 seeds in a hole. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the whole process. I'll let y'all see that I planted a few right there, and then just cover it up with some of this soil. Okay, y'all, the last violet de glamour. Let y'all see what they look like. See the seeds? And I'm just gonna sprinkle them around and cover them with this rich soil and see what happens and water it.